Hello everyone, it's Marc Dixon from your local Allstate agency here in Hawaii. And today I want to talk about something that surprises a lot of homeowners and condo owners. And honestly, it's one of the most important conversations we have here in the islands. And I'm talking about hurricane insurance. Because many people assume their standard homeowners policy covers hurricane damage. And that's not always true. Now, here's the big misunderstanding. A standard homeowners policy or condo owners policy typically does not automatically include hurricane coverage in Hawaii. That means wind damage from a hurricane may not be covered unless you have a separate hurricane policy or a hurricane endorsement. And unfortunately, a lot of people don't discover that until after a storm. That's kind of like realizing you forgot your surfboard after you already paddled out. Not ideal. Now, why this matters even more right now. The National Weather Service and NOAA are predicting an active Central Pacific hurricane season for 2026. And here in Hawaii, it only takes one storm in the right location to do major damage. We've all seen how quickly conditions can change. Heavy wind, flying debris, roof damage, water intrusion. And once water gets in, things get expensive really fast. Now, single wall homes are especially vulnerable, and this is something many local homeowners already know. A lot of older Hawaii homes were built as single wall construction. Now, these homes have character, they have history, but they can also be very vulnerable to hurricane damage. Strong winds can cause significant roof damage, water intrusion, and structural issues. They can rip the roof off. And unfortunately, some insurance companies have started pulling back. But here's the good news. Allstate agencies are still helping many homeowners find hurricane coverage for single wall homes, even while other companies are non-renewing those policies or no longer offering coverage. And that's becoming a big issue here in Hawaii. Now, I've spoken with homeowners recently who received non-renewal notices and suddenly found themselves scrambling for options. Now, that's stressful, especially with hurricane season here. So this is also important for condo owners. A lot of condo owners assume the association's master policy covers everything. Well, it doesn't. The association policy typically covers the building structure itself, but your personal condo policy may still need hurricane coverage for your unit improvements, personal belongings, loss assessments, and liability protection. And that's why reviewing your coverage matters. And remember, below average doesn't mean no risk. Even when forecasts call for fewer storms overall, it only takes one storm to create a very bad season. Now in Hawaii, we don't need 5 hurricanes, one is enough. So if you already have hurricane coverage, this is a great time to review your policy and make sure your protection still makes sense. And if you've been non-renewed or you currently don't have hurricane coverage, give me a call. I'm happy to review your situation, answer your questions, and see what options may be available for you. Now, mahalo for watching. Remember to live aloha, stay safe this hurricane season, have a mayhem-free hurricane season, and I'll see you in the next video.